Hi students, the question is from probability. The question asks is A, B can turn in throwing 2 dices. The first to throw 9 will be the award winner, okay? And A start throwing the dice. The ratio of chances of winning A and B is, okay, 2 dices are thrown, okay? So the sample space will be what? Sample space will be, total sample space will be 36, okay? And the 2 dices which will be thrown, and whoever will get the sum as 9, that will be awarded as a winner, right? So what are the combinations which will get 9 are 3, 6, 6, 3, 5, 4 and 4, 5, right? So we have 4 options. 4 options of getting 9 in throwing of the 2 dice Hamilton, means at a time, okay? So the total chance of getting 9, total chances of getting 9 is what? The probability of getting 9 will be what? It will be 4 by 36, that will be 1 by 9. So if it is P, so what will be Q? Q will be 1 minus P. Q will be nothing but it will be chances of not getting 9, okay? So it will be what? It will be P, right? So this will be 1 minus 9, so it will be 8 by 9, okay? So what will be the chance of winning of A? Chances of winning of A will be what? So the chances of winning of A will be what? This, I think in the explanation they have given you, right? So that will be same, that will be 1 by 9 plus 8 by 9 square, okay? So this will be 1, 9, so it will be come around 9 by 17, okay? So the B's chance of winning will be what? 1 minus 9 by 17, that will be 8 by 17. Therefore the ratio of winning of A to B is 9 by 17, 8 by 17, so it will be 9:8, okay? So the answer will be A.